to my channel. So we are ending with the year 2018. Hopefully this year was an amazing year for all of you, and I am really hoping that 2019 will bring all the happiness and success in your life. I every year I break so many resolutions, like so many resolutions, but I seriously, I accomplished one of my resolutions, and that was to start my YouTube channel. So in 2019 I really need love and support from all of you. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that, and please like the video every time you see. So I know you all must be very busy in the preparations of New Year evening party, and जितना ही आप लोगों के लिए अपने ड्रेसेस को चूज करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक appropriate makeup look देना. So this video will be all about how to create a makeup look for New Year evening. So let's get started. Moisturizing is the most important step in makeup to start with, and it is always better to keep it moisturized 5 minutes before you start with your makeup. So it's been 5 minutes. I have moisturized my face, and now I will start with corrector. And for correcting my dark spots, dark circles and all dark areas of my face, I'm using this orange corrector. Now I'm using a very light weighted foundation for myself, and it is really important to keep it very light and not putting up so many layers for party makeup, especially when you are going to dance a lot, because it will of course it will eventually end up with a lot of sweat and all. So when you sweat, of course the makeup shifts, and to avoid that we need to keep our makeup really really light, and avoid so many layers on it. So I'm using LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation for this. This foundation is so lightweighted, and I seriously don't feel like I have some foundation on my face, and it gives a dewy look, so I kind of love it a lot. Don't forget to cover your neck. I know I'm looking like a clown abhi. To set any foundation, like anything, you have to use a beauty blender. This doesn't only make your makeup application really easy, in fact it really makes your foundation set like anything. Now I'm setting my foundation with a loose powder. Because winters hai, तो you really don't need to put a lot of powder on your face. Face already हम लोगों का काफ़ी dry रहता है winters में. So I'm bronzing a bit. And now very less of contouring. If I'm going for a party, then contouring is very important for me. Contouring itself gives you a very glam look. If you're not doing a lot of things on your face, and you're just contouring your face with less of eyeshadow and less of lipstick on your lips, even then the look looks really completed and looks glamorous. For my cheeks, I'm using a coral shade. You can mix a little bit of pink in it if you want. Little bit on forehead, on your nose and chin. Blusher actually makes your face look really fresh, and it gives, I mean, even if you are sad, it gives an illusion that you are really happy and very happening. So even in my sad days, I just put blusher and I give an illusion that I'm really happy. So this is how we make a very sharp contouring look. I'm using the translucent powder. I'm using a concealer as a base for my eyeshadow so that my eyeshadow looks very pigmented, and it also makes my eyeshadow stay longer. Blending it with my beauty blender, and I'll top it up with my translucent powder. So if we do the eye base this way, our eyeshadow will not shift ever. Now I'm using this beautiful shade for my eyes. I'll be using it in the outer corners. I took really less of product in my brush and blending it inwards. Now I'm adding this shade, this is white, in the front. I'm spraying a little bit of matte prep and prime on my brush. This will now make my eyeshadow really pigmented. I am now picking this silver eyeshadow for the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm using the same brown eyeshadow that I have used for the outer corner of my eyes for the under eye. Blending and merging it with the eyeshadow that I have applied on my lids. So doing this will also make my eyes look bigger. I think my translucent powder must have done its work, and now my contouring looks really sharp. Can you see? Really sharp. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone with white eyeshadow. I'm not using a shimmery or satin shade for highlighting my brows. I'm using a matte white shade today because we are of course going for a very casual party, right? So white eyeshadow will do perfectly. Now I'm doing my brows really light. I'm using a powdered eyebrow shadow for filling my brows. If dense and dark brows look good on you, then go ahead. Now I'm using liner just to hide the glue I have applied on lashes. So very thin layer of mascara. Now if you want, you can highlight the inner corners of your eyes with a little bit of glitter. This will give you party feel. I'm already done with bronzing, contouring and blusher. I'm applying my highlighter. Now I'm completing my look with red hot lipstick. So guys, this is how we created a makeup look for New Year evening party. And if you like the video, please give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I wish you all the very best and wish you all the luck and happiness for 2019. Hopefully this year brings all the things, everything that you wish for. So take care, bye bye, and stay fashionable and stay connected.